Huh? New Bethel? Man, I've got a roast to cook. We'll do it tomorrow, okay? I got a roast to cook. You want to go to New Bethel? Or how about up here behind the church?
No, not New Bethel. One in the mountains.
I know. We'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, I'll have to clear that stuff out.